Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to disable birthdays notifications on Instagram using your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to customize your notification settings. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram account on your preferred web browser. Simply log in with your username and password if you haven't done so already. Once you're logged in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You should see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. This is the More icon. Click on it to reveal a menu. Next, from the menu options, find and select Settings. This will direct you to your account settings, where you'll be able to make adjustments to your notifications. Inside the Settings menu, locate and click on Notifications. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize what alerts you receive on your account. Then, click on Push Notifications, which will take you to a section where you can manage all your push notification preferences. Lastly, scroll down until you see the section labeled Birthdays. Under this category, you'll see options to enable or disable notifications. Simply choose Off to stop receiving birthday notifications from Instagram, and that's it. You've successfully disabled birthday notifications on Instagram using your PC. Now you can enjoy a more personalized Instagram experience without the reminders. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on getting the most out of your social media accounts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.